A look at the energy markets as we hit Friday the 29th of August, end of the week, end of the month, so the close is always an added significance on a day like today. WTI crude managing to just pull itself out of that oversold situation we had for most of August, just managing to crawl higher, but really this is a pretty poor correction to the bear move that we've seen over the past 2 months. So does indicate this is still a strong bear trend, and this is just a correction to that bear trend. If we manage to get as high as the 95.50 area over the next couple of days, it's likely that we're going to top out there. There'll be more levels on your reports, but in the short term it looks okay. We've got a little bit more room to the upside. I don't think an awful lot more, but this should offer better selling opportunities. As I say, probably a little bit more room on the upside before we turn lower. It's the same picture for Brent crude, just struggling to push higher. It's a crawl really. We're just sideways to higher movement is just allowing this oversold situation to unwind, and it does look like the next big move will be to the downside. Levels, as I say, are on your sheet. Anything up around the 104 area is going to be a lot of resistance, and that might be the top for this rally, this little correction higher. Note how this 200-day moving average actually is just running alongside that 100-day moving average, so the next move to the downside we'll see these moving averages start to turn lower. Obviously the 100-day moving average, the blue line, will lead. So yeah, not a particularly bullish picture for oil at all. A poor attempt at a correction to this bear trend. Now gas, however, does look a little bit more positive than oil. We've got this nice double bottom pattern here. I'm looking at the October contract, so we've got this double bottom pattern, 37.40, 37.60, so that did work quite nicely. We were talking about that earlier in the month, about how it did look positive. It took a while to get any momentum going, as you can see, but we are pushing higher, and now we've got above these early August highs of 40.40. We're just trying to push through there. Well, we pushed through there yesterday, couldn't hold it, but we are still above there today, Friday, end of August. So if we can close above 40.40, that would certainly be more positive for next month. And of course, if we get through yesterday's high at 4100, that would be even more positive. Yeah, so outlook for nat gas not looking too bad, but we're heading into overbought territory, so there will be a cap to this correction to the bear market. I don't think this is the start of a bull run. We've got a little higher to go, so we should be getting some decent selling opportunities in the early part of September, and looking for the bear trend to resume.